Hi, I'm Donna Gronewold. If you're watching this video, then I have your student in AP Calculus. And this is the first year that we've been able to offer an advanced placement class for calculus. I have taught calculus for 16 years, but I have never taught the AP version of calculus. So I've told the kids that we're on this learning journey together, that as I learn how to teach the class, they're going to learn how to do calculus, how to perform on the AP test, because unfortunately that's kind of what this class is about. The AP test is in the spring, usually in April, and based on the scores that your students achieve on that test, they will either receive college credit. Colleges will look at that AP test and go, okay, yep, we're going to give you credit for Calculus 1, or they're going to say, yeah, you're not quite there yet. The goal is to get every single one of these kids to score well enough on the AP test that they get college credit for the AP class. The district will pay for that class, pay for that test in the spring, so you don't have to worry about a cost for it. And we've had some really interesting conversations and some really good work going on so far already this year. Your students are showing me that they're really ready for calculus. They're really ready to take on the challenges of an AP class. And I'm really, really, really excited to put those challenges in front of them. If you have questions, please feel free to email me. Best way to contact me is email, dgronewold@fvdistrict221.org. If you need to call the school office and I'll call you back as soon as I can. Again, please contact me with any questions or concerns you have. I'll do my best to answer them in a really prompt manner. Again, I'm really looking forward to this class. Your kids so far have been amazing, and I'm really looking forward to working with them. Thank you.